Welcome to the Camp Fam and join us as we go on an excursion to Islands Beach Club in Cozumel, Mexico. This was booked through the cruise line. There's multiple different options. We chose just the beach escape, which was $39.99 per adult and $34.99 per child. This included transportation and all the amenities at the beach. So come along and see what this excursion had to offer.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
Now, my friends, you have included all facilities, alright? Remember, your package is the beach escape, my friends. Now, the facilities, guys, is the chairs, hammock, sunbed, swimming pool, access to the ocean, my friends. Free Wi-Fi, free tequila tested for all adults, and your transportation, right? Your transportation back and forth, my friends. Now, it's every 30 minutes, and transportation back to the pier. Now, the extra pay, my friends, is the umbrellas, lockers, meals, drinks, fish spa, massage, and the henna tattoo, my friends. Alright, the extra pay to extra service. Now, you like a release anywhere activity, my friends, is only with your ship card. You go to the action center with my co-working Desire, alright? You make your ticket and release your activity with one guía, my friends. Alright? Have questions, preguntas? No? Ready? Mucho bla bla bla. Vámonos, familia.
Alright guys, we are walking to our transportation now. Heading to the taxi bus space area. Going through some Diamonds International. Get some. Alright, so we're on our van and the AC is not very good in this one compared to yesterday. So let's hope it's a quick ride. It looks just like that thing. Alright, so we have made it to the beach club.
We are in the jungle.
In the jungle, yeah.
We went to the beach in the jungle.
So when you come in, they have the taxi area, restrooms over here, lockers are available. Fish spa. Yes, we're headed to the beach. We have 7.
I have a place for you.
Perfect.
I think I know what it is.
It's near from the ocean if you want, okay?
Yes.
Come on, Daddy. Daddy, you know that they don't have like that?
Right, just chill. Come on, walk.
My area, if you want to sit here, I bring your food, your drinks. You can leave your things here, don't worry, but you can go wherever you want, to the ocean, to the pool, but you can leave your things here, don't worry, okay?
But we can sit anywhere, correct?
Here,
Okay. All right.
sit here. If you want to sit here, I'm your waiter all day, and I serve you all day, okay?
Okay. Right now we don't need anything. Alright guys, so we have found our spots. We got ourselves a nice little coconut. So waves are kind of rough right now, so we will see how much the girls go in the water. Maybe it'll calm down a little bit. So far they're real pushy. They tried to sell umbrellas and everything like that, and they're fighting over a real estate space. So just go sit wherever you want. You tell them you are fine. So they got a zip line course over here. They got photo opportunities. We decided to go hit up the swimming pool
before heading into the ocean. So we headed over there. The pool was a perfect temperature. It had a nice little shelf in it where it was about 6 inches deep. You could sit and enjoy the water, and you could get in the big part, which went to about 4 feet deep. It had some great views as well, so we relaxed and enjoyed the pool for a while. After the pool, I decided I was going to do some snorkeling. We do bring our own full-face snorkel masks with us. They were available for renting there, and you could go on a snorkeling excursion. But here's a pro tip, guys. I'm going to go out almost where they were snorkeling as a group, and there is plenty of fish to see. It is a little rocky when you enter, but once you get down, it is sandy. There is some rocks in, so you do have to be careful. But take a look at these views.
Alright guys, so out of nowhere a storm popped up. We are hunkered down under the thing and it is nuts. Like I was literally just in the water snorkeling. I got out as it started pouring. Taryn and the girls got everything up, so we are hunkered down for a minute and we're gonna see how this goes. But it is raining big time. Alright guys, so the rain has let up and we are over at the tequila tasting. So I got photos over there.
We don't do any shipping or any sales online. That's why we got the quality and not the quantity. And I guarantee you 1.5 years shelf life. My creams are February to June 2020. Ship is Liberty.
Can I pay with IOUs?
So there was an option where you could get lunch and unlimited drinks as well. As you can see, it was $79.99 per adult and $59.99 per kid. So you have to choose one lunch entree and then any of the drinks listed below all day.
All right, so this is gonna be a wrap on Islands Beach Club as we're gonna go get a shuttle to get back to the port area. Kevin's tired. We had a blast.
So what do you think, Taryn? Recommend this place? I wouldn't say it was bad. It definitely doesn't have the walk-in beach entry.
Right. I mean, there's a little space, but as far as for the kids, it's kind of rough. It's not a lounging beach space if that's what you're looking for. But they do have a fish spa going on, and all your restrooms, everything like that. We're gonna head back to port. All right, so we're in the waiting space now for our shuttle back. Said it's gonna be about 10 to 15 minutes. So basically, it looks like they do them on the half hour. So it's 1:45 right now. So it'll be about 2 o'clock before we take off.